Hello friend, we are Naksh Carpet and we are engaged in manufacturing of the rugs and the tufting supplies. We are manufacturing very high quality of the rugs like flat weave rugs, hand knotted rugs and different kind of hand tufted rugs. As well as we are also engaged in manufacturing of the tufting supplies like tufting machines, tufting fabric and the tufting yarns and all kind of the tools and the material which are required for the rug manufacturing. Let's take a tour of my factory and I will show you how all the tufting supplies manufacturing process are complete inside this factory. Just come. This is our weaving unit where we are manufacturing the tufting fabric. All kind of tufting fabric we are manufacturing in this area. I will show you how this is manufactured. These are called the rapier machines where your tufting fabric are manufactured. This is the cotton tufting fabric which are manufactured here, and this is used for the commercial rug manufacturing unit. Now come to this section. This is our grey fabric manufacturing. You can see how fast it is assembled there. This is the best tufting fabric in the world. You can see that in the yellow guided line there. Now come to the other part. So you can see that we have a lot of the tufting machines which are operated, and we are manufacturing different kind of the tufting fabric as per the requirement of all the kind of the rug manufacturing, either the custom rug manufacturing, either for the workshop or for the commercial rug manufacturing. Now come to this section. This machine is for making the pre-glue fabric. What is the pre-glue fabric? Is that you need not to use of the glue for pasting the fabric over your rug backing. This is the unit where the pre-glue fabric are manufactured already. One glue layer is fixed there. You just need to put this fabric on your rug and do your iron, and this will be very easily fixed over there.
Naksh headquarter and main production unit.
Let's come and we see what is my factory. So this is the entry. So this is the entry point for the factory where all the dispatch are handled. If you see there, our different kind of the items are packed like a yarns, like a fabric. Our dispatch time is 3 a.m. In the afternoon, so most of the goods what is packed today are dispatched and we are prepared for the next day. So these are our pre-glue fabrics, and these are our anti-skid pre-glue fabric. Pre-glue means already glue are pasted there. These are the rolls of the grey fabric. This is the most premium tufting fabric which are manufactured for the rug industry, and this is made in my second unit. We go there and take a tour of that also. So come. So this is our account section where my customer care team and my account team are sit and calculate all your queries and take the invoice of you. Let's come to the first floor. This section of the factory, we are dedicated this floor for the making of the tufting machines, shearing machines and different other tools. And this floor also have our store facility where we keep our ready to sell product like yarns, like tufting machine, etc. Come and I will see you. So here, this is our store area where the people are sitting and calculate what the stock we have. So these all are the yarns. These are the New Zealand yarns of the 3-ply premium quality, very popular in our Europe and the USA market. These are the acrylic yarns which are very popular for the Indian market for the custom rug manufacturing. Now come to our different second section. In this area, we are making our tufting machines and the shearing machines and the other popular tools. My assembly unit are there who are focused on making the very high quality machines for you. Let's come to the different section. This is our studio section where we will teach to our student how do we make the rugs. This is the prototype of the studio where you will get all the things. Give me a time. This is the studio section where we make a mock-up of the tufting workshop, where we will show you that every kind of tufting supplies which is necessary, which is required for the tufting studio is available there, like all kind of frames, machines, yarns, all kind of acrylic yarns, and different kind of backing tufting fabrics, and what the things which are necessary for the rug making at the studio, like our glue, duckbill scissor, projector, each and everything what is required we are showing there, so that you will educate with us and try to purchase our product. Now come to the next section, the rug finishing area. After doing the tufting and the back finishing, in this section the rug come for the shearing and the carving and the finishing for the final touch. You can see that you can start it. So you can see that with this machine it is carved from the unfinished surface to the finished surface. So our skilled labor are doing this job with the best of their knowledge, and we will try to dispatch this all product with the full of the artistic work. You can see that all these designs are fully carved in the New Zealand wool. Our artists are doing the carving work with the hand tool with the very precision to make a picture perfect rug for you, something like that, something like that. Now come to the next section. These are our yarn storage area. The yarn which is come from the dyeing house is come first in the hang form, then in the cone form, and then it go for the according to the your uses. In this section our yarn are get a shape according to the your requirement. We convert this hang to the our cone, and you can see that how beautiful this cone is made for your rug making industry, for your tufting projects, for the tufting workshops. So this all about our yarn section. Now we go to the next section. So this section is for our custom rug manufacturing, and this is the sample project where we make a small rug for the sampling, and once it is passed by the customer, then we go to the next bulk orders. And these all are the beautiful custom rugs. You can see that they are made with the full precisions with the acrylic yarns or the New Zealand wool yarns as per the requirement. You can see that how beautiful these all rug are made with our skill team, and you can give the order for the custom rug also with us. Now come to the next section. This is our storeroom where all the spare parts are always present for the manufacturing of the tufting supplies. We have always sufficient quantity of the trimmers, trimmer stand, duckbill scissors, carving scissors, all the necessary equipment and spare part for the manufacturing of the tufting tools like gears, and you can see that we have a lot of the stock for the manufacturing the tools and the supplies.